Hey, welcome back everyone. Another day in the books. As you can see, everything's really coming along now. I got the inside walls of 3 of them up, and I got the 4th one cut for the front, but now I get waiting to put that one on. I got to put a piece of wood in there first and kind of get that all going. But you see the doors spots cut out, window spots cut out, insulation's up. Have the back. I chose to put the 1/8 inch wood on the inside and then 3/4 in between the slots. Reason why is use it for support for the galley, but also for the inside plan on putting bunk beds in, so I want to kind of have something to screw into. So 1/8 wouldn't be good, or fiber insulation. So everything's coming along. It's just a couple things glued, a couple things coming together. Up here is going to be the heat and the air conditioning. As you can see, that square cutout there. Inside's coming along pretty good. What I plan on doing is putting trim in all the corners and all along the bottom, like a little corner molding, 1/4 inch or 3/8. I have to see what they have there, but just got to put the roof up top in, and that'll be next step after I get the front in. That way I could start running all the wires. So I think before I put the top in, I'm gonna put the shelving in here. What I plan on doing is basically putting shelf there and like kind of box in the bottom, so that way I have access over here. I order the doors. I'm actually waiting for Challenger to call me back. They're been kind of slow. So what I'm gonna do is put a top here, a box in there, batteries down, inverter, converter, everything else in there. Basically from about here across. I figure I'll just have some extra storage up top. Why not use it? It'll be sealed off, and I can kind of get underneath through here. So that's kind of what I'm looking at there. Have most of it ordered. The doors are in, the windows are in, or at least here I meant. The rough cut out, and then I'll router the outside once I put that skin on. But I want to run all the wires and have all that stuff run those cables, so before I put on the outside skin. So it's coming along. Any questions, anything you want to ask, any suggestions, please let me know. But love to help out, and thanks for checking it out. Please hit subscribe and like. Thank you.